how to order for a group of 15 or more people using the IRCTC official website. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how you can order food for a particular large group of 15 or more people using the IRCTC official website. So if you are traveling with a team or a large family and you want to order food for all of them, then IRCTC gives you a special feature using which you can order food for a large number of people. This is called the group booking. So let me show you how you can do this. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is log into your official IRCTC account. You can do so by visiting the irctc.co.in official IRCTC website, and once you are inside the website you can log in with your credentials, that means your IRCTC user and password. And once you are done with that, you will be landed onto this home page. So simply scroll down onto the home page and you will see this options right here. So from here simply choose eCatering, and under the eCatering you will be landed onto this new page. Simply scroll down and you will see this option of group orders. Ordering for a group of more than 15 people, easily place group orders. So simply click onto this group booking and a new form will appear where you will need to fill in your name, the mobile number, email, number of passengers, the PNR number, and any message as well. If you are a travel agent, you can click onto this particular check mark and then click onto the submit button. Now here are all the steps how this will be done. So the for the best offers and widest choice of food, please submit your request at least 24 hours before starting your journey. And apart from that, how this works is right here. So customers fill in with a valid booking PNR will get a call back from the IRCTC within 48 hours. So after you will fill this form, you will get a phone call from the IRCTC for requirement gathering. Feasibility of desired food items, quantity, location, and pricing will also be established. Customers would be intimated about the options available. Order would be created if desired, and full advance payment would be taken, and restaurant would start executing the order at the appropriate time. Post delivery, you will also get a GST invoice in the name of customer. So request a response during between the 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So once you are done filling this form, you can expect a call back from the IRCTC and they will do the requirement gathering for your food comfort. So that's how easily you can book food for a group using the IRCTC official website. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.